How to see Snapchat watch history. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to see your watch history on Snapchat. So now without further ado, let's get started. But before you start anything, let me tell you that Snapchat does not provide a direct watch history feature for stories, spotlight, or discovered videos. However, there is a way to view limited activity information. So here, let's start with the method one, that is to download your Snapchat data. So here, simply open the Snapchat on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now from here, you can simply tap on settings. And here, once you're inside the settings, you can simply scroll down and there you can simply tap on my privacy and data. And there you can simply tap on data and there you can log in if asked and select the data that you want to download, and after that you can simply tap on next and there you can simply select the time, and after that you can simply tap on submit to submit request. And once you do that, Snapchat will prepare your data and you will receive an information in email with an downloadable link. Now there, after downloading and opening the file, you may see limited interaction data, but Snapchat does not show a full video watch history. And that's the truth about Snapchat watch history. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.